Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. We are still in Ghana, and today I'm making tilapia light soup. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy soup. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, this case is for you. Thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. Come with me and let's go together. Thank you. For ingredients for making our tilapia light soup, we'll be needing our tilapia. I'm using salted pork feet, salted beef, that is tolo beef, fresh tomatoes, garden eggs, onions, shallots, pepper, carrots, ginger, and blended ginger, onions, and pepper. Because I want this soup to be very spicy, guys. And salt to taste. And this soup can be eaten with anything, but we are going to accompany it with fufu papabi. So let's go ahead and prepare our soup. I'll go ahead and add water to my pan. I will add all the fresh cheese. And the salted pork feet. We'll go ahead and cover it up. I'll go ahead and add my chopped shallots and the blended ginger and the spices. We'll go ahead and stir everything in and cover it up. Our veggies are cooked, so we'll go ahead and remove them for blending. For extra flavor, I'm going to add ginger, fresh ginger. First, going to blend it. And extra taste, I'm not adding any stock cube to this soup, so this onion, fresh onion, is going to make it more sweet and more tasty. With the help of the hand blender, we'll go ahead and add our veggies to the soup, guys. I'll add just a little bit of water. Because of the salted pork and also the fermented beef, I've not added any salt. I'm going to taste for salt. I'll have to add just a little bit of salt before adding the tilapia, guys. Stir it in and cover it up, and then we'll allow it to boil over. After it boils over, we'll come back and add our fish. Then our soup will be ready. And 10 cry, it doesn't take much time. Let's go ahead and add our tilapia, guys. Go ahead and add some pepper, more pepper for more flavor, and I will add my fish, guys. Fresh tilapia soup. I'll just cover it up on a medium heat. Guys, let's check on our soup. Look, our tilapia soup is looking so perfect. Our soup is ready, guys. Let's go and serve. Guys, check out our plantain fufu and our tilapia soup. It looks so delicious. We are going to dig in and serve, guys. I'll add some ojia warrior and some country, guys. Our food is ready, guys. You are all invited, but rather unfortunate you cannot come and eat with us. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious healthy meal. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, this kiss is for you. Thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, share my videos with your friends and family. Leave me a comment below because your comments means a lot to me. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye from Ghana. Do we adios. Kiss kiss.